What's up, guys? Montanik here. Quick video about the Google Merchant Center promotions. Just want to show you guys how to set it up real quick. Black Friday is coming up. We all know we want to get those discounts in as quick as we can. Just want to give you guys like a quick heads up on what to expect here. So we're going to walk through some criteria here. I'm going to give you guys an example and then how you can set this up in Google Merchant Center. So first off, let's say if we would run a laptop ad on Google Shopping, this is what you can expect when you run a promotion. So you can, let's say, give it a discount here, give it a discount code, or have whatever option applies for you in your checkout. If you have like a regular price drop, just choose the sale price here. Quickly here, there are some criteria you're going to have to meet in order to use this. So it's a function that's primarily available on discounts given within the checkout. So not really on the product pages, but unless you're in the checkout and you applied some kind of coupon or whatever, then that coupon you can insert here. Google can then show your discount in Google Shopping here. I have like multiple options here. So you have like percentages, you have like dollar amount, you can have tire discounts. Just read through it. I'll also supply this in the video as well. You can find it below here. There are also free gifts. So let's say you don't want to run a certain promotion. So you don't want to do a discount, or let's say 20% off, 30% off. But you have like a free item. For example, you have some stock left over that you want to give to your customers. You can also use that, of course. You can also do things like Center. So in Google Merchant Center next, you can head over to the promotion section here. As you see, I already have some active here, which I blurred, obviously. You can add a promotion here. So let's say we would try this, we would create a promotion. Let's say I'm in Australia today. We can do like a few things here. So we can show this in the ads. We can also show this in the free listings. We have them available. Let's say we want to do like free shipping. Nah, that's not fun. Let's say we want to do a $1 off discount. So let's say $50 discount. Nice discount. We can also say, let's say this only goes for when you have like a certain quantity of items. There are lots of combinations you can do here. Let's say you would have to purchase like at least 150. As you can see, there are multiple options here you can just play around with. Promotion ID, I would personally just set this to a title that like reflects the discount. So let's say we would do 50 AOD of every purchase. Of 150. Make sure this is easy to understand. I've seen discounts get disapproved. You really wouldn't want all that stuff to happen. Promotion ID, I just set it to 1 in this example here. So which example you can add filters here. You can say just do this for all products. Let's say you want to do it for certain product category, certain brand, whatever. There's all sorts of filters here. I think you also have like the code, obviously. Let's say we would want to do here Black F20 for Black Friday, obviously. Then we would want to do this, let's say, from the 28th to the 30th, whatever. No, that would be weird. Let's say we would just do it like this. We include this as well. Awesome. Then we can just move on here. Make sure to use this feature. See you guys around. Thanks.